Today, I'm going to show you some really cool car gadgets from Amazon that will instantly improve your ride. And trust me, we have thoroughly tested all of them to ensure their usefulness. So without further ado, let's get started. This rear shelf holder is an excellent addition for owners of Volkswagen Golf, GTI, Rabbit, and other hatchback models. It has two straps and decorative elements that raise the trunk shelf when the trunk is open. This simple installation makes loading and emptying your vehicle's trunk so much easier. The next thing you need to see is this powerful tire pressure monitoring system that puts you one step ahead. This device immediately notifies you if your tire pressure drops suddenly. All you have to do is attach 4 smart sensors to each tire and install the monitor on your dashboard. When you start the engine, the system kicks into action, sending all of the necessary information directly to your screen. And the best part, it can be charged via USB or solar power. This device features 5 excellent alert modes, guaranteeing that you are aware of any difficulties, such as excessively high pressure, rapid leakage, or rising temperatures. This headlight restoration kit has a special way of evaporating liquid polymer heat to fix polycarbonate headlights that have been damaged by the sun or weather. Begin by pre-cleaning the damaged area, followed by hand or machine sanding with 1200 or 1500 grit paper. Finally, heat up to 80 milliliters of liquid polymer in the device's heat container for 5 minutes. Through the vaporization system, proceed by applying the polymer, which renews the headlight rapidly and easily. The procedure produces a magnificent result while saving time and effort in preserving the surrounding environment. Any leftover liquid can be saved in the original packaging for future use, increasing efficiency and convenience. Having a reliable dashcam is an important tool for capturing accidents, avoiding fraud, monitoring driving behavior, and documenting road trips. The Viofo dashcam features a real 4K resolution for the front camera and full HD for the interior and rear cameras, guaranteeing your journeys are captured with great clarity. Even in low-light settings, the Sony Starvis sensors produce excellent image clarity, allowing you to read license plates of front cars in the dark. The wide-angle lenses provide a large field of view, eliminating blind spots. Securely store your videos on a micro SD card or in the cloud. When leaving your car, choose from 3 parking modes to effectively protect your vehicle. Are you tired of the frequent trips to the mechanic? Well, we have some wonderful news for you. Introducing the Bluebox Copilot, a smart driving assistant that manages all aspects of your vehicle. This all-in-one device combines several functions to reduce your trips to the garage. With a built-in dashcam, it captures every moment on the road, and when parked, it converts into a security camera, alerting you to any incursions and providing live video access for your peace of mind. Furthermore, the Blue Mechanic app diagnoses engine issues and serves as an OBD scanner too. Keeping track of your mileage for work is simple thanks to the Mile Saver, which logs your travels, categorizes them, and even exports the log for tax purposes. This smart device may appear to be an ordinary license plate holder, but it has a secret feature. It also functions as a safe, features a dual locking mechanism, and can be opened and closed using either the physical buttons on the side or the Bluetooth capability by installing the dedicated app. This gadget allows you to share access while also tracking the location and key of your vehicle. In the event of a car accident, emergency contacts will be informed of your vehicle's location. In addition, the app delivers intrusion alerts, and with its simple installation and durable materials, this versatile device is built to work effectively for a long time. Next, this device tests your battery without overcharging or damaging it. With its intelligent charging mode, you will receive pre- and post reports, allowing you to compare accurate data and analyze your battery's health. But there's more. This wonderful device is compatible with both 6-volt and 12-volt lead-acid batteries, allowing for faster and safer charging. With the accompanying app, you'll have access to precise data such as voltage readings and current adjustments right at your fingertips. Allow me to present the best air mattress made specifically for your Tesla Model Y, the Aerogogo Shield Y. This innovative accessory is made for people who want to relax or take short naps during long road trips. Made from high-quality materials, this air mattress is guaranteed to last for many more relaxing journeys. It is easy to inflate and will fit snugly in the back of your Model Y. The automated deflation feature makes packing and transportation easier when it's time to hit the road. Regardless of whether you're a frequent road tripper or simply want to make your everyday trips more comfortable, the Aerogogo Shield Y Air Mattress is an essential item that you should have. Are you tired of having a hard time driving on dark roads? Whether you live in a rural area or encounter poorly lit roads, the laser lamp is your solution. Thanks to its advanced headlight technology, it provides an astounding 100-fold increase in brightness over normal headlights, ensuring you can see clearly up to a kilometer ahead. Say goodbye to eye straining and squinting as this amazing device ensures maximum visibility, increasing safety and peace of mind. Here's another innovative car accessory that protects your vehicle from dirt, UV radiation, and falling debris. Say goodbye to expensive car washes and body repairs. Simple to set up. Thanks to the suction cups and clamps, the Lanmodo Car Tent can take only 30 seconds to mount. Using the provided remote control, opening and closing takes only 8 seconds. Once built, the tent may be simply stored inside your vehicle, with safety straps attached to guard against wind and theft. This high-quality oil catch tank is designed to capture oil and moisture, ensuring that your engine stays clean and long-lasting. It comes with reliable sealing to avoid leaks and a handy oil dipstick for easy fluid level monitoring. Crafted from durable aluminum for longevity and corrosion resistance, it has an ideal 400 milliliter volume capacity and universal compatibility, making it suitable for a wide range of car models. Simple to install and comes in a variety of sleek colors. Get this oil catch tank today and improve the performance and longevity of your engine forever. This water temperature sensor adapter is the ultimate engine protector. Made of high-quality aluminum alloy and stainless steel, it's your engine's best buddy, keeping it cool and operating smoothly. With a specialized hole for precise temperature monitoring, you'll never have to worry about overheating again. Its 2 adjustable clamps make it easy to install, ensuring you'll be back on the road in no time. Available in a variety of sizes, ranging from 28 to 40 millimeters to perfectly fit your car, and sleek colors to complement your style. Also, remember to indicate your desired dimensions when ordering to ensure a precise fit. The Icon Life comes next, a versatile and portable car washing gadget that every car enthusiast needs. With an adjustable water jet angle of 0 to 40 degrees, this device easily tackles tough dirt and cleans hard-to-reach spots with ease. It can be connected to a water tank or a regular hose and is designed to work with any water source. It comes equipped with a variety of brushes, including rotating ones, to provide thorough cleaning of all surfaces. This car wash gun provides an inexpensive and practical alternative for keeping your vehicle looking clean and brand new. This gloss-boosting car wash drying aid will help you clean your car perfectly. The revolutionary solution provides a smooth drying procedure that effortlessly removes stains and streaks. Inspired by dishwasher drying aid, it forms a water-repellent coating for uniform water discharge, leaving a spotless surface. With hybrid gloss technology, it improves shine and strengthens protective coatings, suitable for all colors and surfaces, including cars, trucks, motorbikes, and more. With Afterwash, you will achieve a showroom-worthy finish every time. The next gadgets are really impressive. These cover plates for the inner sill of vehicles function as both protective and decorative purposes, made of stainless steel, making them wear-resistant and durable. When you open the door, they turn on, revealing LED writings on the sill. There are various illumination options available, each with its own set of colors and operating principles. Imagine this. In the dark, as you open the door, the logo of your car lights up, similar to premium cars. Here's a portable car handrail designed to make it easier to get in and out of your vehicle. This unique accessory attaches to the door lock without the need for tools, making it an ideal solution for the elderly or those with mobility issues. The handrail provides additional support and stability, securely holding your arm and making it easier to sit or stand. Sturdy and lightweight, the design is able to endure up to 300 pounds of force, ensuring durability and reliability. Installed on either side of the door, it gives flexibility and can be quickly transferred to another car when necessary. The rubberized plastic handle provides a comfortable, slip-resistant grip, and the bright color improves visibility, especially for individuals with poor eyesight. Do you struggle to clean the underside of your car at home? Say goodbye to that hassle with the Warm Q Undercarriage Cleaner. This groundbreaking gadget makes your life easier with its 4 clever nozzles that can be attached to a pressure washer. With a unique shape, it easily navigates beneath your vehicle, and the high-pressure water jet effectively removes dirt from even the most difficult-to-reach areas. Has built-in rollers that facilitate easy handling and prevent unnecessary exertion. Furthermore, its telescopic handle allows for comfortable work, regardless of the size of your car. Eliminate the difficulty of loading luggage onto your car's roof with this clever doorstep. Simply hook it over the U-shaped door latch and step on it with ease. The tough, anti-slip surface provides safety and stability, and the wide shape allows you to stand with both feet. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it combines lightweight construction with durability. Concerned about potential car damage? Fear not, because the coated hook and rubber bumper protect against scratches and marks. Compatible with all cars and small enough to fit in your center console, ensuring it's always accessible for hassle-free loading. Need to get rid of that French fry smell? Simply clip the turbo air freshener onto the vent, insert the fragrance filler, and let it spin to spread a pleasant scent. Awesome! Say hello to the Gear Shift Hoodie, a weird addition to your car's interior. Made of strong velvet, it provides comfort and style to your gear shifts. Comes in a variety of colors and adds personality to your vehicle. It is easy to install and clean, and it requires minimal maintenance. This is the list of some of the coolest car gadgets on Amazon that'll improve your ride. If you enjoyed the video you just watched, please hit the like button so others will also get the chance to see it. Moreover, if you want to see more of these cool gadgets in action, subscribe to this channel for videos like this every week. In addition to the video you have watched, and the ones that I'm recommending to you, you'll find some of the most useful gadgets that'll make your life so much easier. I am Philip, and thanks for checking out this episode. See you in the next one.